bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy.
Hey, Traveler with Nika peeps. It's my final day in Rome and I am closing out the Rome, Italy adventures with a cooking class. So I'm super excited to be bringing you guys along this journey with a full vlog of me being hands-on and making food, because I've been having some great food while in Rome. Today was also a great day. But yeah, this is how I'm going to be ending out my Rome adventures because I leave tomorrow.
But of course, the universe of pizza can be very different. Probably we come from different parts of the world. So I will ask you to find a balance between your expectation and what our dough can give to us. I think that you can standardize this recipe just with reverse yeast. If you will use bread yeast, pizza yeast, this kind of things, the hook knead the dough. The blade cut and reshape the dough. And in order to do this without warming the dough, the wool on the bottom is rotating in the opposite direction. A light sign we have. Light. That one. Southwest.
Oh.
When I'm
Oh,
okay. Stop.
okay.
We will use flat fingers. Those are flat. Those are not flat. If you fold your fingers, I will trouble sleeping tonight.
Okay.
Okay.
I will show you the end result. Flat.
Okay. What are we going to do now? Just one?
1, 2.
Okay. We are going to flip our dough in this way.
I don't know.
Side of the fingers, just pressing it. Of course, then you have a big hand. I understand it's not that easy. Okay.
John is the star of the class.
Because I still don't know your name. What's your name?
Nika?
Nika.
Yes.
Okay. We will keep this dimension.
Okay.
And move the table from the top. It's going to be a margherita, just to demonstrate you how much ingredients, how we bake it. You will use just one, but full spoon of tomato sauce. So you can twist. Am I twisting? What am I doing? Inclining? Tilting, yeah. Thank you very much. You will tilt tomato. Close to your pizza, you will drop 1 full spoon. Whoa, one. You will gently move it until 2-3 centimeters from the crust. Cleaner are your crust, then if you want, you will have more ingredients. Just try to imagine your pizza not like a Chicago one. Not because I don't like it, just because this dough can't hold that much ingredients and the temperature of the wooden stove is very different. So let's try to find a compromise between this dough and your pizza. I will help you. But if you will exercise your pizza, probably they will stick. You're turning your pizza. Let's stretch it too much now. I'm not going to do it. We'll just do this and fixing it here. What are you going to do? You will keep the pizza with your strong hand. My strong hand is the right one, just one hand. You will have Rossella helping you from your shoulder. She will keep the hand of the heel together with you. And together with her, you will enter, keeping one step from the staircase, very good. You will enter together with Rossella, then Rossella, she will push. What you will do, you will just pull back fast. From 390 to 400.
This is the instructor's pizza going in first, doing the demonstration for us.
didactical. What we want inside our crust, it should be just humidity. We don't have to have a bready crust. It should be very, very humid, shining for the humidity inside. We can seal the humidity inside the crust with some oil also on top. Some basil. That's a typical Napoletan pizza. Ready for your pizza?
Yes. So that demonstration went by super quick. Our doughs are now waiting for us to just like do our toppings and stuff. So he kind of like split the class up. So the rest of us are just gonna like wait basically, I think like 10 or 15 minutes. Then we're gonna go back in to do like our toppings. Yeah, super excited.
So it really depends. I can put like my pizza of the day is gonna be sort of a white pita bread with some kebab inside. Yesterday it was zucchini, scamorza, anchovies, and rucola. It can be something like Turkish pizza, something like Roman pizza. What's Turkish pizza?
He's like, oh, I'm not ready yet.
No, the one.
All right, so that was my personal cheese there. So now I'm gonna do the toppings, and this is like some onions. These are some huge onions, y'all.
Make some pineapple on your pizza if you like it. Oh.
No pineapple. That's an abomination. What are the spices?
Okay, I will bring your pizza inside. Take care of him. And keep on breathing and smiling. Black pepper, chili, oregano, and red garlic.
Ah, okay. My pizza is in the oven cooking, so it'll come out like right here. Mine is in the back, y'all. Almost ready. Yay! All right, a little bit of olive oil for the edge. Well, maybe that wasn't a little bit, but final product, y'all. Some fresh basil. All right, y'all, got my first slice. Let's do a taste test. This thing is hot. I probably should have put more salami. So basically, like in Italy, they don't do pepperoni pizza, okay? Just letting y'all know. You will not see it on their menus. This is the closest you get. Making your own with the spicy salami. Okay. Yay for me. I made my first pizza. And it's yummy.
Over the meat will do with the flour.
Pasta making time. My pasta is gonna be like egg based. Yeah. Time to go crack the egg. Okay. Okay, we're supposed to be pressing and mixing, but I don't know if this is right. Press and mix. Okay. The yolk is still... Y'all, that's why my profession is not a chef, okay? I don't know how to do it.
No, the water is
I got saved.
Okay, now.
Don't show off now. We're over here like struggling. Okay, y'all, this is what mine look like. If you are Italian or you know how to make pasta from scratch, do not judge me. Okay, I'm a beginner. trying my best, okay? So let's see what the chef says. He told someone not perfect when they said perfect, so. Okay, they all go together. Not somebody keep calling the chef when he in the class. He make us talk to them. Like, ciao.
I say, wait there,
Rolling pin.
Take the dough. Use the rolling pin 1 centimeter and use the knife or cut and make the little cube. Because this is thin.
Perfecto.
Perfetto, bravo.
How did you do that?
Okay? It's okay, but yours is it's okay.
Okay, how's this one?
Bravissima, perfetto. Sorry, please, collecting cavatelli in this plate.
Oh, okay. All right, y'all, let's go. I have a hang of it now, so I'm doing it good, okay? It's actually easy, like once you do like at least like a couple. But the bowl is so small, you know?
Spread the flour on both. Less pressure. Much pressure on. Press and roll, press and roll, press and roll, press and roll. Stop, take down your body and pull back. Muscles. Oh, I joke. I joke. I joke because it's not my boss. Break. Try.
We're just all watching.
I'm like flour.
See, relax, bravo.
Oh no. Okay. There it is. Oh, nice. Okay. Yay. Alright. Yeah, making pasta from scratch is very difficult. Okay. Like we're using all kind of tools and as you can see, I kind of failed a little bit, but the pasta was cut and that's all that matters, okay? Alright, 1 square, 1 stick of pasta, and a chopstick, okay? I think we're gonna be making the penne, maybe? I know he showed us the penne, like over there. So, oh, thank you. So obviously this is penne, and I think this one is rigatoni. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's the same. One, the winner is 1 and 2.
Wait, what?
I think you use much pressure.
Oh my god.
Allora.
No, we're tied. 1, 2. Oh yeah.
Did you get it all?
I think so. I should be able to. Okay. The moment of truth.
Okay, guys. The rest of the pasta is finished. Oh, I'll show tortellino. Yes.
Y'all, that's literally a wrap. So there's like it's like a pesto pasta, and then the fettuccine, and I'm gonna try it and then rate it from 1 to 10. Alright, time for the taste test. I'm gonna try the fettuccine first. My new friends over here from the UK, they said that the fettuccine is like spicy, right? Like a little spice or pepper? Peppery. And okay. So I'm gonna try the fettuccine first. It's cooked like to perfection. They also have complimentary wine with the class. But y'all, because it's so hot, I just been drinking water. Like, so thirsty. Pesto is my winner. So we actually got dessert as well, included some tiramisu, and then this is limoncello. So it's strong. I guess I'll have this. Y'all, I'm actually very full. I'm trying to finish the pasta because it's good, but I don't think I could do it. And I want to taste a little bit of the tiramisu because this is going to be my last tiramisu in Rome until I come back. So I'm going to compromise and taste the tiramisu. But yeah, that's a wrap, y'all. This was so fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me and my new crew and everybody that I met today make our pastas, make our pizzas. This was a top tier experience. I highly recommend. Make sure you guys come and do this and tell them Traveling with Nika sent y'all, okay? Drink the rest of this water, and yeah, I'm out. I leave Rome tomorrow. Bye guys, see you in the next country.